inspired by the world's finest lifestyle. We have imagined a home fit for the global traveler like you, where architectural brilliance combines with affluent lifestyle, where the rich history blends with a piece of future, where supreme luxury unites with the nature's purity. Introducing Earth One by VTP Lux at Mahalunge in township code name Blue Waters. It is for those who are achievers in their lives, who travel the world and have experienced the finest creations, and have a keen eye for craftsmanship and detailing. Earth One is designed to be a style statement and an heirloom that will stay in the family for generations to come. Earth One promises the global lifestyle at Pune's most buzzing location of Mahalunge. It is just few minutes from Hinjewadi IT Hub and close to Baner, Balewadi, Pashan and Wakad. Accessibility is increasing with new road networks in and around the area with a new 30-meter wide road, which is under construction and directly connects the township to the Bangalore highway as well as the IT Hub and other prominent locations in Pune West. Wake up to the city's most scenic views every day. Nestled amidst the Mahalunge Hills and Mutha River. Enjoy an experience of a lifetime. Perhaps no other project can offer such natural beauty. Much-traveled global citizens seek modernity and elements of nature in equal abundance. Homes that embrace the greenery outside, have plentiful natural light and cross-ventilation while boasting the most modern architecture and amenities are the new normal for those whose lifestyles have evolved. Each tower has enough distance between them so that you can get a lifetime of privacy, open space, 24/7 light and ventilation. Again, something you can boast of only at Earth One. Your arrival is pronounced by magnificent entrance gate of the project. And if it was not enough, you are heralded by a 5-star entrance lobby of your tower. An arrival of such grandeur is sure to create envy amongst others. The homes at Earth One boast of stylish and opulent internal finishes and fittings. We added the substance of maximum livable area design philosophy with large room dimensions and maximum space usage in the same carpet area. Not only thoughtful, but highly intelligent in planning, perhaps matching with your own personality. Your home welcomes you with a grand veneer finish door. Again, rarely found in other luxury projects. Step into your home and be dazzled by the stunning large-size marble finish glazed vitrified tiles. Gaze up to the large windows that allow natural light all day and ample ventilation, along with adding beauty to the building elevation. Welcome to the kitchen. Not only perfect sized, but has one of the most luxurious designer platforms which any lady of the house will fall in love with. The lavishness of a bathroom indicates the style quotient of any home. We know this well, and we have provided the best of the best brands in CP and sanitary fittings like Grohe, American Standard, Kohler, Toto or equivalent. Here at Earth One, we've used the large designer glazed vitrified tiles to enhance the beauty of your bathroom and fitted the latest and most modern shower units that you may have never seen before. We've ensured that our citizens of the world are envied by all. When the world is your stage, the stage must be world-class too. Step into the recreational amenities spread over an area of around 4 acres and you'd feel like modern royalty too. Around 3 acres of open amenities on the podium and 1 acre at the ground level. Be amazed every time you look at Earth One by VTP Lux. Whether it's the open spaces here or the stunning architectural details, you wonder which part of the world are you in. You wonder if you are in LA when you are immersed in the pool or sunbathing with your family. Or you might wonder if you are gazing at the gardens of Holland when you walk in the outdoors surrounded by serene gardens. You wonder if you are in Dubai when you sit back on the club deck, watching the world go by while you sip on coffee. Or is it Singapore, when you use the elegant meeting rooms in the club overlooking the pool? Or are you somewhere in the Bay Area when you work from home in the open gardens under the solar pods, surrounded by chirping birds and the hills in the horizon? Corporate stars like you work across time zones, and we've thought about that as well. Whether you're hosting a virtual meeting or need a peaceful haven to work, we've got you covered at our work from home zone in the clubhouse. We also have the creative minds covered. And to allow your mind to wander in the greenery around at Earth One, we provided stylish solar work pods amidst lush green. Your life is a celebration. And we have you covered there too. A choice of party lawns and 2 large party halls for every occasion. Be it an intimate setting with friends or a large gathering, make it truly dazzling and create memories that last a lifetime. At Earth One, we have curated a global lifestyle for your entire family. Every amenity is meticulously detailed and immaculately appointed. Those who work long hours need adequate avenues to unwind at the end of the day. And we've got you covered here too. Imagine feeling like a swim or a workout late in the night. Access our 24/7 clubhouse with a swipe of your Access card and use facilities like the state-of-the-art modern gymnasium, large swimming pool with bubbler beds, jacuzzi, and indoor games. Your health is now at your fingertips. There are a lot of avenues to simply chill and unwind, like the club rooftop cafe, swing plaza, gazebos in the lawn, the alfresco amphitheatre, and dance floor. At Earth One, there are sporting avenues for every age and ambition. Be spoilt for choice. Choose from outdoor sports, ranging from cricket, lawn tennis, basketball, skating, and mini golf. There's a multi-purpose court too for those with more eclectic pursuits. At Earth One, we've provided a kingdom for little monarchs, a large kids pool, sand bed, huge play area of 7,500 square feet, a rock climbing wall, and many more facilities. Let the kids experience the elements of nature in the safety of your home. Let them grow up fulfilled. Earth One is also a haven for the golden citizens. Exclusive 8,000 plus square feet for senior citizens with lots of activities to make sure they do not have a dull moment. Dedicated lawn, life-size chess, chit-chat, and swing plaza to relax and spend leisure time, all while they can keep an eye on their grandchildren playing nearby. At Earth One, you are in wonder and amazement when you are at peace with a choice of gardens, be it for meditation, relaxation, or just to be one with nature. Pune's global lifestyle invites the world travelers to their home. A masterpiece carved for the few, a reflection of your discerning choices, uncompromised in its truest sense. Your forever space when you come back home after seeing the world. Flaunt it to your family and friends. The best of the world is your home here at Earth One. Let this be your last home. You'll never want to leave.